Let's cook green beans in a creamy sauce and serve the creamed beans with potatoes and boiled eggs. You will need green beans, butter, flour, single cream, vinegar, salt and pepper, and potatoes and eggs. Wash 250 grams of green beans. Trim the ends. Cut the green beans in half. Boil the beans for about 5 minutes. Then, drain the water into a bowl and reserve the beans, as well as the hot water, for later. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Fry the flour gently, together with the butter for about a minute. Pour in a little bit of hot water that was used to cook the green beans in. This is the base for the cream sauce. Boil it for at least 10 minutes, stirring it constantly. The sauce base will thicken soon. Add a pinch of salt. Add a pinch of ground black pepper. If the sauce becomes too thick, add more of the hot water. After 10 minutes, pour in 200 milliliters of single cream. Cook the sauce gently for a little bit longer to heat up the cream. Add the boiled green beans. And finally, add vinegar, according to taste. 1 to 3 teaspoons should be just right. Serve the creamed beans together with boiled potatoes and boiled eggs. You could sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper over the eggs.